Mr. Jones. My name is Patty. I'm your CNA today. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Fantastic. I need to get your vital signs. Is that okay?
Yes.
I'm going to close your curtain. Let me go wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, Mr. Jones, I'm just going to lay this on your stomach for later. I'm going to elevate your forearm, keeping your elbow on the bed. And this will take me about a minute. I'll need you to remain quiet during that time, but I'll let you know as soon as I'm done, okay? And we're going to start. Ready, set, start. Stop. Thank you very much, Mr. Jones. Is there anything else I can get for you while I'm here?
No, thank you.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like a magazine before I go?
No, thank you.
Okay, bed's in the low position. The environment is clean. Here's your call light. If you need anything at all, just press that red button. We'll be happy to help you.
Thank you.
I'm going to go ahead and open the curtain and throw my alcohol pad away and wash my hands. After washing my hands, I'm going to document on the sheet provided by the evaluator and then wash my hands again. After washing my hands a final time, I'm going to review the care plan, think about my skill, make any corrections, and then tell the evaluator my skill is done.